Do you ever find yourself constantly switching between browser tabs and your communication apps, feeling like you're losing precious minutes in your workday? Or perhaps you've wished there was a simpler, more integrated way to handle your calls, messages, and faxes directly from where you spend most of your time online. So you're not alone. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, efficiency is key, and anything that can streamline our workflows is a game changer. That's precisely why understanding how to add RingCentral to Chrome isn't just a technical tip. It's a productivity superpower waiting to be unlocked. Think about it. Your browser is your window to the internet, your workspace, your information hub, and for millions of professionals and businesses worldwide, RingCentral is the backbone of their communication, providing a comprehensive cloud-based phone system with calling, messaging, video conferencing, and fax capabilities. But imagine if these two essential tools could work in perfect harmony, almost as if they were one. That's the promise of the RingCentral for Google Chrome extension. This isn't just about making calls from your browser. It's about transforming your Chrome browser into a unified communication hub. It's about eliminating the friction of app switching, saving you valuable time, and making your interactions more seamless and intuitive. Whether you're a sales professional needing to click-to-dial numbers from a CRM, a customer service agent managing inquiries, or simply someone who wants to centralize their communications, this integration offers a significant advantage. So why is this integration such a big deal? Let's break down some of the core benefits you'll experience. First and foremost, there's the click-to-call and click-to-SMS functionality. This is a massive time saver. Imagine browse a web page, seeing a phone number, and instead of manually dialing it or copying it to a separate app, you simply click on it, and your RingCentral soft phone in Chrome initiates the call or opens an SMS window. This isn't just convenient. It drastically reduces dialing errors and speeds up outreach. Then there's the unified communication history. With the extension, your complete communication history, calls, voicemails, faxes, and text messages is accessible right within your browser. No more jumping to the RingCentral desktop app or mobile app just to review a past interaction. Everything is at your fingertips, making it easier to track conversations and maintain context, especially crucial for customer relationship management. Enhanced call control features are another highlight. When a call comes in, you get a live pop-up caller window, giving you immediate context. From there, you can manage inbound calls directly, send them to voicemail, forward them, or reply with a text message. During active calls, you have a suite of controls, including multi-way calling, call recording, and call flip, all without leaving your Chrome environment. This provides a professional and efficient call handling experience. For team collaboration, the RingCentral for Google Chrome extension is a game changer. It allows you to schedule and join RingCentral video meetings directly from Google Calendar. No more toggling between applications to set up your video conferences. You can also view the present status of your RingCentral and Google contacts, enabling more efficient team collaboration by knowing who's available and when. This can significantly reduce unnecessary messages and missed calls. The extension also offers AI-powered productivity features. While some of these might be in early access, they're incredibly promising. Imagine getting AI-generated call notes, real-time transcriptions, and even action items directly from your conversations. This level of intelligent assistance can transform how you manage your follow-ups and keep your team aligned. Ultimately, the RingCentral for Google Chrome extension is about streamlining your workflows and boosting productivity. It reduces the need for constant app switching, centralizes your communication, and integrates seamlessly with the Google tools you already use every day. It's about making your communication more intuitive, faster, and more effective. Now, let's get to the main event. How do you actually add this powerful tool to your Chrome browser? The process is straightforward and only takes a few steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by simply typing Chrome Web Store into your Google search bar or by opening Chrome and going to chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, you'll use the search bar to find the extension. Type RingCentral for Google and press Enter. You should see RingCentral for Google as one of the top results. Next, click on the RingCentral for Google extension. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page, where you can learn more about its features and permissions. On this page, you'll see a prominent blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm if you want to add RingCentral for Google. It will also list the permissions the extension requires, such as access to your browse history, for detecting phone numbers to enable click-to-dial, and your microphone for making calls. Review these permissions and, if you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll typically see a small puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, which is the extensions icon. Click on this icon, and you should see RingCentral for Google in the drop-down list. To make it easily accessible, click the pin icon next to RingCentral for Google. This will pin the RingCentral icon directly to your Chrome toolbar. Now that the extension is installed and pinned, the final step is to sign in. Click on the RingCentral icon in your toolbar. A small window will pop up, prompting you to sign in with your RingCentral credentials. Enter your username and password, and then click Sign In. For first-time users, RingCentral might ask you to authorize RingCentral Quick Access and choose where you'd like the click-to-dial and other features to appear. You'll have options like Only Show in Google Apps, Only Show in Microsoft 365 apps, Show on all websites except my block list, or Show on websites I specify. Choose the option that best suits your workflow and privacy preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.